Hello guys, welcome back in the technology welfare. Let's review in this video tutorial this PTron Bassbud Pro. So here let's see in water. So see guys, here this is one box. Here it is PTron Pro. So just I am going to open here. Now see guys, here two Bluetooth Bassbud, and so see guys, here very small. Of course it can be adjusted very well in your ear. So it's a charging display, how many percentage is charge remain in this both. If you would like to use a one device, of course you can. If you would like to use a both, of course you can use both in a one's time. Now it's a charging here, it's a displaying here remaining charge in this device, so that is a quite good. Plus if we see guys, here what are in box, then of course it's a one charging connector, second is your earbud 2 3, and this is menu how to use of this. So see guys, here I'm going to connect and I would like to show you how it's a quality. Now see guys, here one thing more, here is the charging connector, charging jack, and directly you can impose this charging connector to your adapter plus in charging jack. So now here you can check it out easily guys, what's the percentage of charge that remains. So that is a quite good feature, and it's a coming of a 1 year's warranty within 1,000 rupees. It's a quite good with branded, and if you see the sound of this quality is a quite good guys. It's a touch here, so if you would like to pause, of course you can pause. If you would like to play, of course pause, play. If you would like to call to one, if you would like to receive call of anyone's, of course directly by touching here just you can. So let's see now how sound quality is coming here guys. Now see guys, here just I'm going to play. So just I will come in a Bluetooth and I'm going to connect here. So now see directly it can PTron Bassbuds. So now it has been connected guys. Now if you would like to play a song, so see guys, here just I am going to here touch. Now see it's playing guys. So how it is easy, and now see if you would like to pause on this, just touch 2 times, it will be changed. 1 time it will be pause, 1 time it will play guys. If you see the both sound of this bird, see guys, if you keep here automatically it will be disconnected. Now see it has been disconnected, and when you open it, it will be automatically connected guys. So now see I would like to play just once time. Let me now see guys, it's playing. So no need to connect again and again on your now both device similarly. Just let me keep one. Now see guys, both is playing. So quite good, and of course you can adjust it in your ear very well guys. So if you are planning to purchase any Bluetooth, in my opinion you must go. If you would like to receive your call by a Bluetooth device, of course directly you can receive by a, so it's a touch and good sensor and very small size and very just no weight is of this, very light. So of course you must go ahead to purchase if you're planning to purchase any Bluetooth device. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Actually, I'm enjoying of this actually Bluetooth device, and that's why I decided to, because it's quietly good and below 1,000 rupees with 1 year's warranty. Yes, this is quietly good. So it's offer on Amazon.com. So if you are planning to purchase any, go ahead to purchase. And furthermore, any inquiry related to this device, if you would like to have, then please raise a comment below comment box, guys. I will reply as soon as possible in course of time, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.